Hello guys, this is the Mighty Titan. We are in the grocery store and Titan is in the cart and he's enjoying his ride. Of course. Oh sure I am. Huh? Number 8. Okay, thank you. And Titan is having fun. So we're going to number 8 right there. Okay, good. We're actually going to cash out now. Titan's having a ball. We're coming from walking, or should I say running, because that's what Titan do. He runs. Boy, hi. Are you okay, boy? I only could do one hand at a time. Boy. Okay. So we are here. I'm gonna take out the stuff from the cart and cash out. So just thought I would share this with you guys. The Mighty Titan came to grocery shopping with me, and so now we're about to go home. He was a little bit tired, so I put my pocketbook here so he could lay on it. Boy, are you okay, boy? My boy.